Going on, everybody? Pro Trader Mike, founder of the Mojo. How's everybody doing today? We got some nice things happening with the market. It's Thursday. Craziest markets, fooled every analyst, every big name on Wall Street's completely fooled. Don't even think about it. And you know what's the craziest thing? Your friends are like, dude, I'm the king of the stock market. I did so great this past year. Dude, give me a break. Everyone's done great this past year, man. Amazing. Amazing. Hey, my competition. I put on a little jazz in the background. Ross comes up. Amazing. Here we go. Let's get into the day, folks. Ooh, my microphone. So this is what we got right here, little TVA. These are my positions. I'm just sitting with 500 shares of TV, short 100 Apple, and short 100 SPY right now. I gotta check my microphone settings because I think they're way up. All right, folks, how's the mic coming in? Is it too loud? You know, there's autoclease out there. Someone's got to be watching on YouTube. Hey, say hello to the team. We got a little stocks that are moving. Trying to get my room boosted. Right here, if you press this in the corner. Oh, my dogs aren't here. If you press this in the corner, we're at the 7 boosts. We need to get to 15, and I move from 128 voice quality to 256 voice quality. I can upload some more things to the server. I have better live stream. I have 50 emoji slots for a total of 150. So you just go boost this server right here, and you can boost it right there. Help unlock great perks for the year right here. Get a discount on your Nitro. Gift that Nitro right there. That'd be cool. I think if you do it here, boost the server, you can do it for that's what we're looking to do though. Show you what we traded here today. Today wasn't no great day, guys. It's great to have the swing picks taking care of business. This is the swing pick, AEMD right here at $1.90. What newsletter was that in? Let's take a look. So we're looking at AEMD. Let's take a look here. Jivo, still down 14%. Perion's 896, stopping out at 850. DRRX from 95 cents is 254, up 167%. Right here, that's where I'm at. 235 stop, up 8 cents today, 3%. Luckin Coffee picked at 2025 on July 22nd. It's a big winner. It's up 134%. Didn't think it would do that, but obviously it did. Then we have PCTI 560. Last was 902. It stopped out at 825. XNet at 560. Gonna lose that at 485. Picked at 285. That one's up 96%. MLSS picked at 85 for the dollar Heinz. 94, up 94% on that one. Rad at $6 is at 13 with a stop at 11. C change at 255 is 401. 57% stopping at 341. That was from the 9.3 newsletter. The 9.8 newsletter is this one. Actually, I think this one was is 416. It's going to be adjusted. So the stop on this one is 875. The stop on Luckin I'm raising from 42 to 45. This one at 254, I'm fine. At 235, I'm fine there. The stop here is 205. So these statuses, I wanted to remove this column. Right there. So this number, I'm putting in the numbers. Easier that way. So this one's at 896. All right, so this one is at 205, stop on GVO. 850 stop on Perion. 235 stop on that. 45 stop on LK. 875 on PCTI. 530 on the XNet. $1.45 on that one. Rad at 13, we go 12.50 on that. C change 375. AOSL 1375. Hill 342, 335. 445. CLSD 225. 425 on GoPro. We own at 365. Gene at 210 is 375. Zynga at 687, 675. DPW at 143, 135. SCS at 719, 675. AGRX at 296, 275. UVXY, we have options on it. We're not doing anything. Bingo at 123, 115 stop. Jax, no stop. It's 105 today. Actually, we put 80 cents stop. We'll never get there. Seal at 143, 135 stop. 775 on Crone. We can't do anything, so we have the options on that. Can't do that. Savara at 375, 345. MSN back at break even. OTIC 335. GLG 135. Kodak 375. Varu 375. Drad 275. Neos 155. APVO 65. AEMD 255. 10x even right here. So there is 130 right there at 130. 187, 175 on USWS. 475 on THMO. No stop on GBTC. Actually, $8. UGAS, what are we, 65, 63. IDXG at 580 is 811. Pre-split 10 to 1 from 58 cents. It's 580, 775. SPI is break even, 198. So we'll go 190. And this other one break even, we go 120 for a stop out. DFFN 0.46 and WISA 0.55. There you go, something right there like that. And then the closed trades right here, AEMD closed today. It's down there. AEMD, the high today is 340. AEMD closed 305. What's today's date? The 16th. Everything's at 05, guys. Everything's at 05. And do your own statusos. Okay, so we got these UV calls, 0, 0. LMA funding was 1 day. All right, there you go, up to date. 64 minus 87. 87 minus 64 is 23. 23 minus 2 is 21. And we are at 87. It's 84% average, guys. Picks have been pretty phenomenal on the closed trades. Take a look. The biggest one this month was Sava, from $1 to $11. That was a pretty good one. A couple of 100% winners down here, and a 238% winner right there on AEMD. That's the bonus of being in the Swing Trade newsletter. So AEMD we're removing. Goodbye. And there you go. New picks come out on Sunday. Oh, the last Sunday, I picked 2 of them. WISA losing and LMFA lost. I didn't come out with any compared to the weeks before where there was 10 each. So we're doing pretty good. So we're looking here. Apple got 100 down 30 cents and SPY down 6 cents and TVIX up. Now they're going the opposite way. It's unbelievable. Apple's 314. No way. The SPY is 333.07. I'm up $70. How am I up more on TVIX? Apple just dumped 313.90. I'm going to short another Apple. I'm going to short another Apple. I shorted 100 Apple. I'm going to short 100 SPY. Right there. So I'm in. Up 70, down 13, down $1. Nice. All right, let's see what's hot and not today. Is that too loud, man? Blinn, never picked it, Jeannie. Sound quality is good. Let's see what's hot and not today. Nah, Gene, I never picked BLIN. That's Bridgeline Digital. Never picked that, wasn't in the swings. But if you come to Mojo University, guys, it's mojouniversity.teachable.com for a limited time right now. Here's my story. Watch this. It tells you all about how I got started and what it's all about right now. Check that out. And then my featured courses. $14.97 for the day trade course. You get this as a bonus when you join the day trading room just for $149 a month. You get the toolbox, which has the tracking sheets, the final exam, volume tracker, share size guide, all in the toolbox. That's Mojo University right there. So join right there for a limited time with the special. You get that course, man. Absolutely. Deleting some of these messages that came in from Twitter. So here's what we got talking in the room. So if we go the marathon way, you'll be kicked out of the casino games. You might hit a few, but long term, your account's gone. Stick that on your computer and never forget it. If you go the marathon way, you'll be kicked out of the casino. You might hit a few. I think you mean if you're going for the sprint, bro. The sprint way. Marathon, it's the long term. You're the rabbit and the hare. The rabbit and the turtle. The turtle, slow and steady. The rabbit, not running the marathon. He's sprinting. We like to be like Alan right here. See, guys? Slow and steady. Just wins every day. Wins every day. Wins that slow and steady. Wins every day. JC and Kent and Klopp and Lizzie. That's what they do. I think if you go for the sprint, you'll be kicked out of the game like you are in trading. But if you go for the marathon, you're looking good. Big dumper on you guys. Let me take a look. 216. A little who guys. So I got this, my new platform, testing out. I will be live next week, guys. I have got my whole screen set up now perfectly so I could share with my traders. Right here in the top left corner, we have the board view, watching my certain stocks right here, my core ones that I like to trade. And then right here in this little board view of the hot ones that are going to come up in the room each day, I'm going to put in here. So we'll be able to follow the hot ones in there and the hot ones in there. And for the hot and the not, we got the room and the scanners. We have the time right here. We have the level 2 right here with the quotes up here. And we have the buy and sell buttons and the buy, market, and cover right here. Right in the middle, I have a level 1 on quote on relieve, R-E-L-V. And I got outlook down here, outlook 95 by 96. I should actually put on this bottom, but if I just click in here and I put in like Apple, I could watch the Apple at 313.76, 77, and I got it up at 82. I'm profitable on the Apple now. Up $4 and up 80 there. That's nice. So I'll put the Apple here in the middle. I'll put the SPY, S-P-Y. So the SPY will barometer between the two. So I got the SPY here, I got the Apple here, and I got the TV there. So I'm watching the SPY on the TV with an Apple. Cheers. Very nice. Let's see what's going on today. Make sure to subscribe. It's deadly out there. If you're not the shark, man, you ain't swimming with anything but getting eaten alive. Now we're moving them up $2 an apple. It's what you call badass. I'm up 75 on TV, down 15. I was just up 6. It's crazy how I can go down more than I can always go up. It's amazing. But the platform gives you the tools. So I got the level 2 here, got my buy and sell buttons, and I got the level 2 here. Then I got the chart coming up right here with the indicators, and the blue line is the moving average. And when I like to trade and I got it in my favor, I like to keep it above, like this stock is, above that blue. But this one's about to come down, so we got a little Cupid top coming up right there. I blow this up right here. Got a little top coming up right here. See that action? It'll probably come down into about this range and then see what it's going to do here and go up or down. Got a little top coming down on the STO right here. I shorted it up here. You guys, let's take a look at you gasms. 61. Oh yeah, look at this stock. 61. 77 by 82. I'll take 100 shares down here at stopping station for a Heinz 62. Oh shit, just Heinz 62. Jax is below 3, but it's $1. Below 3 is scary, dude. If Jax is below $3, that's pretty scary, dude. Because it was $1.05 earlier. Yeah, checking it out, just looking at it right now. 61.72 by 80, just looking at it. I'm up on the TV. I'm just sticking with that. 500 shares. I'm up 115 now. Hey, finally turned green on the SPY, up 95 cents. 230. So Jack, you said, is where? Jakk. Jack's is $1.08. Yeah, it's doing fine, man. The Jackies. Jackies is fine, bro. Don't mess with Jackie. No day trade on Jackies. No. No day trading on Jackie. Jackie don't day trade. That ain't that. Jackie's a holder, man. Yeah. Jackie don't like to be day traded. Jackie, no. So let's see if we can make some money here. Let's get them all green, guys. Green, green, and green. Come on now. Green, green, and green. I can go another 100 SPY. We'll sell another 100 SPY. And I can go another 100 Apple. And I can go another 100 on the TV. I can even get the TV on the, oh, I did the wrong one. I can even get the TV on into the Heinz by 200. So I can even get the TV going into the Heinz with 300 more. Jack in the crack, brack. Now I'm positive on all my shizzles. See, that's when you're with me on this. Every bit of the trade. Rento, Mick, Brandon, all the teams, everyone on YouTube, you're all with me on the trades. Yeah, it's not even a great day, man. I got a good article right here if you want to check it out on my website on how Bitcoin mining works. I was wearing this shirt, guys, Get Rich or Die Bitcoin Mining, and my waitress didn't even know what Bitcoin was. Oh boy. Now there's a decent likelihood that many people you may stumble upon don't even know what Bitcoin mining is or what Bitcoin miners are. Okay? I'll give you a quick nutshell, and then I'll go back and make sure I'm very profitable. Okay, I'm looking good. Listen, here's the nutshell. You ready? The miners, the Bitcoin, it takes a really long time for the transaction to go through if one person's going to send digital money to the other person in the form of that currency, which is called Bitcoin. It has to be verified by a computer. Just like at your bank, when you move money from checkings to savings and you go online and you put in the numbers and you hit in how much you want and you click send, the bank's computer, the graphics cards and the internal and the computer will crunch all the numbers, making sure your account numbers are correct, then transfer your money from your checking to savings. So then you can look in the journal and the ledger and say, oh, look, there's the money I transferred from the account. It's all done with the bank's computer. It's done internally. It's centralized by one thing. You don't know what goes behind the scenes. One computer, one company is verifying it. So you got to take their word, and what happened is good, but it is insured by a small amount of what you got there is insured by the government. So wonderful. Great. Do you feel safe? No. So here's what Bitcoin is. Bitcoin is the same digital transaction, but it's between two people. And it's backed by the largest computer network in the entire world called the miners. A miner is a person that has a computer that's very fast. They're paying for their own electricity. It's a Bitcoin mining machine, you'll see when you watch the videos, and they're paying to have it run, and they're willing, like the bank, to verify the transaction between the two people. The thing with Bitcoin is it takes over 60 individual anonymous computers from around the world to verify and approve the transaction, not one. So it makes it decentralized, extremely secure, and unhackable. And that's going to be the future. And the rate to transfer the money from one to the other is minute. I could pay a penny to transfer money of $100,000, where at the bank they're going to charge you $1,000 to move money like that event. And then they're going to delay it, and they're going to use that money to make money, and it's all a shit and scam. So the miners are the backing of the blockchain with the Bitcoin. And they're the ones, the miners, that verify the transaction. And if the miner verifies it, one of the 60, you get a little tiny piece of the Bitcoin transaction as the fee. And that's why the miners do it. And there's a great video on mining right here, the hardware, what it does, what Bitcoin mining is, what proof of work is, the difficulty, the halving, what the blockchain is. and all that great stuff. So let's come back. I'm up on one, down on the other. I like to go away and then come back and it's like a cookie jar. It's like opening up the fortune cookie. Ooh, what am I up? What am I down now? Well, I was up like 120. Now I'm at 76. This one's up more, the SPY. So Apple should catch up, and then this one should dump. So I can get 300 more of this TVIX before it decides to makes its big run. So I'm going to buy 100 of them right now and go from 700 to 800. See that? Beautiful. So like I said, I have 99,000 in buying power in SPY. I have $94,000 in Apple, and I have 31,000 in this. But look, I'm only risking between the three less than 50 bucks. And I have $231,000 in the market, in the play. But it's only risking $100 or making, I'm risking 100 to make, it'll make $500 this position. Once I get to 1,000 TVIX, once it starts running to like 120, 130, and this gets to 39.99, 40 beans. 40 beans. We're looking for the 40. Where's the 40? It's right here. Once it cricks this, forget. Do you know how long it's going to take to make that back? There's no way it's going down. No way. To make this back down will be, it's impossible at this point to get all that back down. No way. No freaking way. You know what I'm saying? Look at Apple. Apple, yeah, could it go up in here? Yeah, but it's already difficult. The market sells off, it'll come right down back in here. Settle off for the close in here. I'm good with that, man. That's a whole point drop. I'm good with that. And then the SPY, give me a break. That thing's way up in the cloud, Tories. You got a double top right there. That'll never, ever go through. It cracked right here. That shit's coming down to go test here by the end of the day. I think I'm going to be up a lot. Got an hour left. I can't believe it. I wish there was 5 minutes left. You got to sit here a freaking hour, dude. It's 2:30, 3:30, an hour and a half. Oh my God. Dude, that'll feel like oh my gosh, like 2 weeks. Like 2 freaking weeks. You'd be sitting here. What that baby feels like. Damn. What are they doing in the Mojo room? Saywin. Saywin, my man. What else we got? Yeah, we'll get one more Heinz Kramer. What do we got? Anybody mad today? Do this shit to their computer again? Platform's not working, trades aren't working, you're not working, firm's not working. Anybody doing that right there? A lot of people doing that? How about this? Sit down, man. Be a master at the trade. Plug it in. Make it happen. Be calm. Mojo gives you the signal in the room. Swoosh over. You got the platform right there. Go ahead. Put in the order. Done. And boom. Right like that, man. And all of a sudden, starts to rain on you, man. Telling you. Let's see what we got. How about this? Alrighty, guys. Good day in the Mojo room today. Good day in the Mojo room. Hey, we got Green Day down there. Hey, Green Day, welcome back again. So he says right here, I was going to go and show you what I talked about with this guy. So he's like, he has class. I'm sorry, I've my first week of college semester, so I'm really trying to see the schedule of day trading. I will really be able to do, so I hate to make a commitment to learn from you guys and not be able to follow due to a schedule that doesn't allow it. So I'm really trying to figure out the time of the day that I have available to trade and learn outside of my classes. And I asked him, do you know what a sit and go is in poker? And he said no, and I asked him to Google it. So have you Googled it? What it is basically this. So let's say you have classes and you go into school right here. And here's school. And this is your bed, and you're sleeping right here in your bed. And you wake up and you skateboard to class. That's what I used to do. And then you go to class, and class is probably like from, let's say, 9 a.m., which sucks because the market opens at 9:30, and 10 a.m. So damn, you like it. If you can't get out of that class, I would try to make that class 11 a.m. to like lunchtime, and then be in the afternoon because most of the money's made in the mornings. But regardless, either way, you'll have like a sit and go. When you play a poker tournament, a tourney, the prize is like, you put in like $100, but the prize is like 10,000 because there's 1,000 players, and it takes 10 hours. And if you're really good and you come in the top 1 to 5, you'll win some cash. It's a poker tournament. And then you have what's called a sit and go. A sit and go is a one table game with the same 9 players you'd have in a regular tournament. But once they're eliminated, they're gone. And they pay the 1, 2, 3 spots. So if you come in with the same $100, the game will last 30 minutes. So you can come in and out. You put in 100. In 30 minutes, you come in first. You win 100. You win 500. The next guy's winning 300. And the guy in third is getting his money back because there's 9 guys at the table, each putting in 100. They pay the first 3 spots. So it's a sit and go. You come in, you do the same strategy as you would in the tournament. You play your system, and in 30 minutes, you walk in and walk out. Boom, you did it. Anyone can do that. If you're a working professional, you get a half hour out of each day. That's your day to trade the market, man. You get a half hour here or a half hour there, or a half hour here, or 15 minutes there. Come in, scour the hinds, play the market, play the TVIX, and there you go, man. That's called a sit and go. Anyone in the world could do it, and if you say you can't, you're just making excuses for yourself. Know what I'm saying, boys? That's what I'm saying in the room. Apple, I don't like Apple, man. Apple ain't doing too good right now. TVIX is doing good. 81 by 85. SPY is doing good. 329.94 from 330.01. But Apple, 314.22. Do I take the loss on Apple and put it into the other one? Or should I get a little bit more Apple and then set a stop above it? I think I'm going to do that. So we're going to do Apple, make sure I'm on the right thing. So we'll do Apple. I'm going to do a little bit more SPY. And that's it. So I got 5, 5, and 1. 5, 5, and 1. Monitoring them very close. Not going to let the Apple go down more than 150. And then I cut it. At 60. Other one's at 80. Expecting this to dump, go green. Expecting that to jump, green bigger. And that jump, green bigger. Here we go, boys. Cheers. Just really concerned about the TVIX. No real worry. This, no real worry. This is the only one I'm really watching. Because I'll cut that baby and I'll stick it into the other, man. What did you guys do? 61.90, it rebounded. Dude, it freaking rebounded huge. Did it? Yeah, a little bit. From 61.25. Look at that. That was a big rebound, man. See that? I was watching it, but I wasn't in it. I was watching it, but I wasn't in it. Look, that thing just jumped from 90 back to 50. What is that shit? But at least the Apple's back down to 15 bucks and it's chilling, willing. You know what I'm saying? That's up 22 now. That's only down a little bit. This thing was just up 100. How did it freaking drop? It's like, yeah, man. Oh, 30.91 by 94. This is the TradeX platform, guys. Check out my website. All you need right here is to go to MOJODayTrading.com. Really simple website. Amazing website right here. Just come to the Mojo website and come up right here to the trading firms, guys. And right here, that TradeX platform. Look, scroll down. It's right here on the bottom. See it? It's a beautiful platform. It gives you the real-time level 2, the advanced charting, the trade manager. Here's some frequently asked questions about the firm. Okay, what's a CFD? How does the firm work? What do they do? How do you get paid? It's an investment firm that helps qualified funded traders receive enhanced financial education, the ability to trade firm capital. MOJO Day Trading and Pro Trader Mike is only an affiliate marketer for PTG and receives a finder's fee from PTG for each new trader. That's it. But I'm hooking you up with the financial, with the tools, man. Just like I do at TFS. Everyone's an affiliate everywhere. But they have the program, $1,000 gets you $10,000 in intraday buying power, the 100% net profits. Mojo chat room, you get a discount, $99 a month there. And these are the programs. Please check it out. And if you're interested, fill out this form right here to start your own day trading business and click apply, and then I'll get the information and I'll send it over to the firm and you'll get all contacted and get set up. Peace. That's how it works, baby. Damn, dude. Apple was even and this thing was up. Now it's freaking, come on, pay to Mosh. It's only $2.49. I hate it. Hate it. Hate it.
Damn, chicka bow wow. Damn, chicka bow wow. Damn, chicka bow wow.
Damn. Hate. Let's see a JB video. We come back, it'll be up huge. And if not, I got the towel right here for the towel throw, guys. Okay? Got that for plan B. Plan B, baby. Watch this guy right here. Looks like a lunatic. Dude, he already messed his knee up pretty bad. Look at that. Better be careful on that knee, Betty. Dude, that knee, woo-wee. Hurting that knee. Blink, 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 blink. Careful, boy. That water looks like crap. Ooh, careful, dude. Careful. Guy's a complete lunatic. Oh, is JB filming it? Really? Is that JB up there? Yeah. Sweet. Nice, JB. That was pretty cool, dude. Dude, I can't make it. I win. Look, I'm going to have to throw the towel. I'm only up 30 bucks here. Down 35 and 3. Oops, towel throw, guys. What do you want in the room? You want the towel throw? If I don't get a yeah, then I ain't throwing it. I ain't throwing nothing. Flat right now. All right, Clopper. I'll throw it. I ain't for fun though. I needed to make my stocks move. So woo, I think I'm gonna go get that, guys. I'll be right back. I come back. I should be profitable. Oh, let me get that off the floor. May take 2 throws. Oh, great. Now I'm red on all of them. Dude, I can't handle that. It's a big rip, man. Do it. Just do it. I threw it in the wrong direction. See, Cloud knows I threw it in the wrong direction. Let me wipe my hands. And that one's a good throw. I gotta get that. I'll be right back. Oh, it's a good throw. Where's my boys? Where's my boys? My good luck charms. Bubba Nini. No. Bubba Nini in our ear. Dude. Throw it again, man. It's working, bro. Working. Once we rattle, because it's time, man. It's the time of the day, dudes. That's why. Sucks. Can't believe it's only freaking 2:53 in the afternoon. We got to sit here a whole hour until something really starts to happen. Oh my gosh. That's the worst. See, this time you should have class, man. You should be in class. You know what I'm saying? You be in class now, dude. You got no worries. Damn, that shit don't. All I got to do is come out at like 3:15, 3:20, sign on 3:30. I'm rocking, babe. I'm rocking. That's what I'm saying. This stuff gives you agita. Got to bite on the tap. That's about it, boys. I got a new article right there. You got to watch that blog article. Tell you how them Bitcoin miners work. That was a good one, dude. And Block is having too. Learn about that Block half. Got the new stop set on the swing. My dogs are barking. Something's happening. Oh, Jiva, I don't got 192 lost. What are you doing? Are you crazy? Oh, I messed up the columns. That's why. So what do you want? This would be a, let's see here. Got to work on the sheet a little bit. Got to add one in here and do something there and do that here. Do it later. I'm coming. Anybody got anything, man? Well, give me some. Now let's go through the hots and what's not today. See if we can catch anything on the rim bound. Cause we are taking the marathon, not the sprint, taking the marathon. That's what we do. So let's take a look. Y10. I've been in this stock before too. I think it did a split. Yep, did a reverse split. See, I've been in it before, and I looked at it. I'm like, damn, I know that stock, and it was doing nothing, man. Let me bring down the chart. I'll show you. See this baby? This baby right here. doing nothing. It didn't spike on it. It's a reverse split, mama. Just like IDXG. See? IDXG, 58 cents. Did a 10 for 1. Look, this is IG. See? Look what happened. Look. Here's Y10. Look. It hasn't done the next day yet, dudes. You see what I'm saying? How in play the stock is right now? You see how in play the stock is right now? Better ask somebody. You don't?
No, no, no.
Girls do.
Give me a Y, give me an E, give me an F. Yeah!
Better start learning. And where do you do that? In MOJO University. Learn that course. You want to, let me show you something right here. You think I'm talking, guys, I am talking no shizzle dizzle. No shiz from the mosh. I get comments on MOJO University all the time. Let me just show you the ones from yesterday. And the day before. Just if you don't mind, guys, because, you know, there's a lot of trade. If you don't think people are taking it and what they're saying, let me just show you right here some of the new traders that are taking MOJO University for the first time and what they think about it, and you as well. Okay, so right here is the date, 12 a.m. This was yesterday. Tuesday, 12 a.m., 2 days ago. Learn a lot of new interesting material on this video. Thank you. 206, awesome intro, on to part 2. A lot of information, taking it all in. That was a lot of information. I probably will probably a rewatch. Not really sure to execute the trades. He's brand new. He's in the first class. Watch what he says next. Learn patience and wait for the trade to come to your plan. Not to fall in love with any stock because you're a day trader and you move in and out. I'm the best scalper there is. It's all starting to come together now. Looking forward to the next lesson. One word, wow. Recap all those plays and examples gives a boost. So well done, and we can see where you come from with the old chat room. End of October 2017 class, ready to start over with the class of 2018. Then I'll go for the exam. Slowly but surely becoming more confident in what I see. I feel and trust, getting prepared for an upcoming badassery. Tag along for the ride. This was Wednesday at 4:34 yesterday. That was a great class. Very interesting. Wow. So much. Love it. Wednesday at 6:37 p.m. Wednesday at 9:39. Here we are, class of 2018. Let's start over after 2017. Repeating is the key. Good presentation again. I'm motivated since the first class to learn more. I'm galvanized, focused, and my goals are clear. Let's Heinz very soon. Last night at 10:57. Repeating is the key. No hurry. Climbing the steps slowly but surely, like the turtle. It's a marathon and not a sprint. To jump in the pool soon. Looking forward to the TradeX simulator. I will not trade a penny until I build my confidence in the simulation and seize the incredible opportunity to be mentored by Mike. Already so grateful to receive all this knowledge. Let's continue. And that was from yesterday in MOJO U, guys. What do you think of that? It's pretty nice, right? That's pretty nice, right? That's what I'm talking about, man. That's what I'm talking about. Yeah, some good comments. Absolutely. JMIA may go crazy after a little pullback. Ramey says that. Ramey's back in the game, folks. Even if the MOJO traders get knocked out or something happens, we're right back in the saddle, man. We're right back in the saddle. We're right back in the saddle. In the saddleicious, gobblicious. You know what I'm saying? So we got the AEMD as the number 2 gainer with a Marabuzu close at $3. Marabuzu action right here, guys. On the daily with the sickest trading bar it's ever seen in its life. Don't you wish you got in down here, man, at 90 cents? Don't you wish? You know where I picked it? Right there. Remember I showed you yesterday? I love those charts that are like this because you buy and then there's no risk reward. Then they come and fill up. Look, right? Right? Yeah. Yeah. AEMD. Super pick. Want to see what I saw in it when I picked it? Let's see. AEMD. AEMD was picked on not working. 12:30 newsletter. It was starting the new year. It was last week's newsletter. The 12:30 newsletter right here. So it's Sunday night, 12:29 right here. So Sunday night's newsletter, 12:29. Here it is. Slide 1. Slide 2. All picks have an emphasis on the MOJO small cap style of swing trading. Read the structure of the newsletter. The trade plays are based with an average hold of 6 days on the first move for Hines, earnings, and great chart setups, bottom bouncers, base breakouts, and cup and handles. Stops should be followed as the model spreadsheet tells you, which I saw me go over before. Structure, how to put in money and break up the picks, whether it's a 50-cent pick, a $1 pick, a $3 pick, a $5 pick, and a $10 pick. How to buy the entries and what happens after you do entry 1. The stock's going to do 3 things. It's going to go higher, lower, or stay the same. And what do you do in those 3 scenarios? Painted right there for you. If the stock goes higher, you do buy number 1 and then wait for the first dip after it makes a new high for the day, getting your buy 2. The buy 2 should be doubling the amount of shares you did on buy 1. Separate the buys by 1 or 2 price increments on the first dip, depending upon the price of the stock. Both buys are done in the same day. If the stock goes lower after your entry of buy 1, have patience. As the stock goes lower, looking to get buy 2, 1 or 2 price increments lower, looking for a low on the day for the stock. Both buys are done in the same day. If the stock stays the same after buy 1, have patience as the stock goes lower or higher into the next price, and then execute number 1 or 2 above. Both buys are done in the same day. That's how it's done, dudes. Buys 1 and 2. And then the third buy is done the next day. And that's the meat and potatoes of it right there. Buy 1, buy 2 the same day, buy 3 the next day. That's how it's done. Here's the amount to put in on the price of the stock, how to break it up, how to scale in, all completely detailed with the structure that works. Swing trading rules. Don't wait for me to tell you anything. Don't wait for me to take your profit. Don't wait for me to cut your loss. Cutting losses at 20%. Normal fluctuations of 5 to 10% are normal. I don't want to hear anything. When a pick goes up in the day trade room, 5 cents, 10 cents, 50 cents, $1, you take profits. You don't wait for me. Same with the swing. It goes up 5%, 10%, 20%, 30%. Don't wait for me. Take some profits, man. Profits are golden. Then after that, I give you an analysis on the market. How the markets are insane in record highs. All waves come to an end. Don't worry. Don't worry. I got 9 picks for you. 9 picks. There goes Santa test driving that new Tesla sleigh. It's electric. No reindeer. Winners, Sava, $1.40 to $5.20, now at 8. New Link, 186 to 360, 100% winner. Trill, 71 to 105, sold at 305, 300% winner. Zapogen, 79 to $1.20. Kodak, 311 to 83, and that's just some past winners. Then I got the top picks. You ready? The first one, KMPH from 42 cents went to 68. APVO from 59 went to 69. Look, KMPH, go look at where it went. APVO 59. Look, AQMS 83 went to $1. See this one? AEMD at 92 went to $3. TENX from 127 went to 50. USWS from 50 went to $2. Beeline, I do have Beeline in there from 190. Someone mentioned it before. CDTX from 316 went to 416, and THMO from 419 is 470. Beeline was in there. I'll have to update the notes. I'll have to update the notes. What else we got going on? Oh, TV ripped, dipped hard, no way. Yeah, did. I'm up on Apple now, but I'm down on the freaking, see that? I'm up on the Apple. Apple's dumping, so I'm going to buy more TV. Another freaking 500. Apple's dumping though, and SPY. So I definitely think it's going to catch up 104 on Apple. I'm going to cover a little bit of Apple so I can catch the dip back up. It always does that. Covering 200 Apple. And SPY at 330, going to short another 100. And TV at 49, I can do 200. There you go. Catch Apple on the way back up. 81, 2, 3, 4. So it should go back to right now. Not yet. Thanks for letting me know about the dipstones. So that's good on Bitcoin mining right there, guys. This is my Twitter. Boastin' and Mostin', Max Visgard. Boastin' and Boastin'. What does that mean? What does this mean? What the hell? The guy wrote on my YouTube, Boastin' and Boastin'. What the hell does Boastin' mean? Let's see what Boastin' means. Maybe it's in the word I've never heard of. In the Urban Dictionary. She acting like hella stank. She ain't one word to me. I know she boastin'. What does it mean? Bragging. Show off. Yeah, man. Kidding me, dude? Max. Let me tell you something, bro. Since 2012, I've done 1,700 shows on YouTube. Dude, I have a chat room right here, homies. Right here, homeskis. With 23 master traders that have been with me for 4 years and more that pay me money every month. $150. That's the member fee. And then the guys down here are newer, 43 of them. And then I have about 100 just in the Swing newsletter that don't come to the room. So between 200 subscribers, 200 at $149 a month, I'm not bragging that the business makes 30,000 subscription business a month. That's no bragging, no boasting there. Plus I have 52,400 real followers on Twitter. That's nothing to boast about right there. You know what I'm saying? I work out of my home. I got 2 awesome dogs in the fam. I got my towel. I got my team. There's nothing to boast about, bro. Gonna go ride the motorcycle later, go take out the boat. Nothing boasting, man. Roasting, not boasting. I got roasty. Got some roasty. Can do some roasties. But boasting? Nah. Come on, kid. Richie's boasting. Richie in the last 34 days made $480,000. That's fucking boasting, bro. You make that, you could boast a roast. I'm not really boasting. Kidding me? I made 480, dude. I'd be standing on my head I'd be doing it upside down, doing backflips doing the show. You know what I'm saying? Gotta know what I'm saying, man. Gotta know what I'm saying, kid. See what I got back. Down 295 on that, up 18, down 49. All right, it's working. It's working, baby. Shizzle's working. I reshorted that Apple up there. See, I sold it at 84 again. Got filled back to 500. So Max, thanks, man. Appreciate everything that you say. So we'll hide your user on this channel. Your message is gone. You won't be here anymore. Cool, he's gone. And let me check out that B-Lin for you from 90. 147, you're not in that no more. 20% stop out. 190, never went higher on your entry. 190 times 20%, 38 cents. You lost $38. There you go. There you go. Piece of shit. How do you like that one? Gene mentioned the one out of the, I think, 60 that didn't work. 1 out of the 60. B-Lin. You know what I got to say to you, Gene? Later. Packed my bags. Last night she cried. Later, alligator. Later, alligator. It's crazy how it takes a long time, man. It's only 3:15. Nothing's gonna do nothing, dudes, for another 30 minutes, man. Nothing's doing a lot of nothing for 30 minutes. So just gotta hold these levels, man. Don't get out of control. That's all. Scooby-Doo. I'm maxed out. I'm down. That's it. Can't buy no more. I'm maxed in. I got over actually one more SPY than I should. I got to reduce that before it goes there, the 100. So yeah, the Mojo show is boasting, baby. Roasting and boasting.